Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to appeal Amazon policy violations. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we'll walk you through the steps on how to appeal Amazon policy violations effectively. Facing a policy violation can be a serious matter, but with the right approach, you can navigate through it successfully. First, it's important to understand the nature of the violation. Carefully read the notice Amazon sends you and identify the specific policy you've violated. Amazon typically provides detailed information, so take the time to fully understand the issue. Next, gather all relevant information and evidence. This includes reviewing your listings, customer communications, and any other documentation related to the violation. Make sure you understand exactly what went wrong and how it can be corrected. Once you have all the necessary information, draft a clear and concise plan of action, POA. This should include 3 key components: what went wrong, what you've done to fix it, and how you'll prevent it from happening again in the future. Be specific and focus on concrete steps you've taken or will take. Submit your appeal through Seller Central. When doing so, ensure that your appeal is respectful, professional, and to the point. Attach any relevant documents that support your case. After submitting, monitor your email and Seller Central account closely for Amazon's response. If your appeal is accepted, take immediate steps to implement any changes Amazon requires. If not, you may need to revise your POA and submit a second appeal. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.